And Prime Minister Modi will be visiting West Bengal Shingur on the 18th of January, where he will inaugurate multiple development projects worth over 800 crore rupees. DD India's Deepika Mahato sends us this report from Shingur, in which you can listen to the local residents who expressed their excitement ahead of Prime Minister's visit.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a two-day visit to West Bengal. After dedicating and inaugurating various development-led projects in Malda, and with the idea of ensuring 360-degree development of West Bengal, PM Modi will now visit Singur in Hooghly on Sunday. The PM will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of various development projects worth more than 830 crore rupees. During his visit, Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of the extended port gate system at Balagar, including an inland water transport terminal and a road over bridge. Spanning an area of approximately 900 acres, Balagar is being developed as a modern cargo handling terminal with an envisaged capacity of about 2.7 million tons per annum. The project includes the construction of 2 dedicated cargo handling jetties, one for the containerized cargo and one for dry bulk cargo. Prime Minister will launch a state-of-the-art electric catamaran in Kolkata. This is one of the 6 electric catamarans indigenously built for inland water transport by Kochi Shipyard Limited. The vessel will support urban river mobility, ecotourism and last-mile passenger connectivity along the Hooghly River. Prime Minister will also inaugurate the Jairambati-Borogopinathpur Mainapur new rail line. This line is an important part of the Tarakeshwar-Bishnupur new rail line project. Along with the new rail line, a new train service between Mainapur and Jairambati will also be flagged off. It will provide direct rail connectivity to the residents of Bankura district, making travel more affordable and convenient for daily commuters, students and pilgrims. Prime Minister will also flag off 3 Amrit Bharat Express trains: Kolkata Anand Vihar Terminal Amrit Bharat Express, Kolkata Banaras Amrit Bharat Express and Kolkata Tambaram Amrit Bharat Express. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Singur, the local residents expressed their hopefulness of a developed Singur that offers job opportunities for youth and employment for women.
हम जो युवा है, आज 40 साल हो गया, कुछ काम भी नहीं है, मेरा परिवार दिक्कत होता है संसार चलाने के लिए। हम लोग सिंगूर से सब यंग युवा जो है, हम प्रधानमंत्री से आग्रह करेंगे जो सिंगूर का इस पुण्य भूमि में वो जो आ रही है यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी, सिंगूर वासी को युवाओं को यहाँ पे काम मिलेगा, रोजगार मिलेगा।
तो यहाँ पे रोजगार भी आएगी, सबको सुरक्षा भी मिलेगा और आसपास में जो छोटा छोटा दुकान भी लेकर बैठेगा। जब कारखाना चालू हो जाएगा, मोदी जी के बढ़ जाएगी।
With an aim to develop areas like Singur, which have a rich potential of hosting an array of industries, ensuring extended benefits to the local residents as well, the projects will ensure connectivity, employment opportunity and add more strength to India's vision of becoming a developed nation by the year 2047.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Singur is being seen as a very important step for the development of Singur and especially for the development of West Bengal. People here are expecting more job employment opportunities and better ways to create a better livelihood. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to lay the foundation stone of projects worth around 830 crore rupees for the people of Singur. With camera person Sunil Rana, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from Singur, West Bengal.